Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Tips with Nikki. How are you guys doing? Thank you all for stopping by to watch today's video. In today's video, as you can see, I have a guest here with me. I have my daughter here with me and she's going to be doing my makeup. Yes guys, she has never done this before. She's just 10 years old. She don't do makeup and she had never done my makeup for me before. So this is her first time. She said she's going to try it and I gave her the chance to do so. So say hi to my guys.
Hi everybody.
Okay. So guys, let's get straight into the video, okay, and see what she's going to do. I'm not going to look at any mirror. I'll just leave her to do what she can do and later you guys will rate me, okay? Rate her, as in rate her, okay? If she's done a good job or not. So let's get straight into the makeup. So let's get started. Before then guys, we have all our makeups set here, okay? I have my makeups and brushes here that she'll be needing. So I'll leave her to do what she can do. I'll not direct her. So I just want to see if she have any idea, okay? So let's start.
So now I'm going to use this primer.
Okay. She's starting with primer.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come on?
Now I'm going to use this foundation. Okay.
Along, and it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah.
Now I'm going to use this concealer.
The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you, me on this beautiful day, and I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby.
Now I'm going to use the eyeshadow. This is the palette.
Now I know, baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my heart. I wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart, 'cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
the eyebrows.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling.
Guys, at this point, how do I look? I'm not looking at any mirror right now. How do I look, guys? Let me know in the comment section below.
Now I'm going to use this concealer. I'm going to use this color.
Telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay.
I can't see what she's doing now, but I think she's doing a great job. For the fact that she knows the names of the products she's using and also when to apply it, that's a great point for her.
It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day.
That shows she have an idea of what she's doing. What do you think, guys?
'Cause you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to
Now I'm going to use this mascara.
give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now I'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day.
I'm going to use this lipstick.
My day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone.
Are you done? Is that all?
Yes.
No powder?
Again, all day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it
I can't wait to see my face. New model in town. Use the brush.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because
What about that one? What is that?
It's a spray.
Oh my god. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, can you give me a mirror to see my face? Guys, before I look at the mirror, please How do I look like? Okay, here I go. Oh my God. Oh, guys, please rate her in the comment section below, okay? I'll be glad to hear from you guys. Just rate her. What do you think? But it's not looking bad. She did a great job. Wow. See my eyebrow, okay? And the lipstick matches my veil. That's great. And the eyebrow, I'll never go for black color like this. I always use dark brown, but that's good. Oh my God. But you did not blend the concealer very well at the eyebrow. Oh my God, guys, can you see it very well? She did not blend this concealer at the eyebrow. Apart from that, and what else? Apart from that, I think she did a great job. What do you think, guys? This is so fun to do, honestly. Thank you guys for watching today's video. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. What do you want them to do? Let them please give this video a thumbs up. Tell them to give it a thumbs up. Yes, and do what? Subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel till we come your way next time. Stay blessed, stay safe, and bye-bye.